Hi everyone, once again welcome back to my channel. I hope you people are doing good. So in today's video lecture we are going to start our CSAT series, and in this lecture we are going to learn about analogy. And so here analogy is nothing but correspondence or parallelism. That is, in analogy we get a particular relationship and we have to find out similar relationship from the options that are given in the questions. So mostly we get three type of questions from analogy, and these are: the first one is word based question, and the second one is number based, and the third one is alphabet based. So under word based questions, we find common relationships like countries capitals, state capitals, or instrument and its measurement, or individual group, or the study topic. So in this type we have nearly 20 to 25 common relationships. So under this we get word based questions. So for example, if you see here under this word based questions, here I have given some example questions. The first one is: Mumbai is to Maharashtra, similarly Trivandrum is for what? So here the capital of Maharashtra is Mumbai, right? So we have to find out which state has the capital as Trivandrum. So the options are Kolkata, Gujarat, Kerala and Sikkim. So we all know that the capital of Kerala is Trivandrum, so the option will be C, that is Kerala. So similarly, second question is: botany is to plants, entomology is for what? So options are snakes, insects, birds and germs. So here they have given relationship as botany is to plants. That is, here under botany we study plants. So similarly under entomology we study about insects. So the option is B. So these type of questions will be asked under word based questions. So if you don't know what type of common relationships are there, so you can just refer some SSC based books. For example, you can refer Dr. R.S. Agarwal's verbal and non-verbal reasoning. In that you will get some common relationships of word based questions. So if you see that common relationships, you will understand what type of word based questions will be asked in the exam. So the next type is number based questions. So under this type you get questions related to addition, subtractions, squares, cubes, multiplication, division. Under this what you are going to do is you have to find out the common relationship. And here if you see, the first question is 2 is to 4, similarly 25 is for what? So here the relationship is x is to x square, that is, 2 square is 4, right? Similarly 25 square is what? That is 625. Okay. The second question is 3 is to 27, similarly 6 is to what? So here the relationship is of cube, that is 3 cube is 27, so similarly 6 cube is 216. And the third question is 11 is to 1210. So you have to find out which option has the same relationship. So in order to find out which option has same relationship, first understand what relationship is there between 11 and 1210. So generally we know that the square of 11 is 121, right? So if you multiply the square of 11 with 10, you get this 1210 answer. So here the relationship is x is to x square into x minus 1. So clearly if you see, 11 is to 11 square into 10 is 1210. So now you have to check which option has the same relationship. So here the first option is 8 is to 448. So first let's find out this option. If this option has the same relationship, then this will be our answer. So 8 is to 448. So under this, first let us find out x square into x minus 1. So x square is nothing but 8 square, and 8 minus 1 is nothing but 7. So 8 square is 64 and 8 minus 1 is 7. So 64 into 7 is equals to 448. So this option satisfies the above relationship. So the answer will be option A. So in this type you will get number based questions, and you will also get some set relations also. All those things will be discussed in later classes. So when we get different type of questions, we will understand what this number based questions are asked in exams. So the third type is alphabet based. So here first, before solving any question related to alphabet, so from A to M, you have to put numbers from 1 to 13, and from N to Z, you have to write numbers in reverse order. That is from 14, 15, 16. You have to come from right to left. Okay, this is how you write alphabets. So this is a basic thing that you should do. So if you put this alphabets and if you write these numbers, it will be very easy for you to solve alphabet based questions. So I'm again telling, you have to write A to M in first row, and you have to number them from 1 to 13. So once you have finished writing them, under M you have to start writing N. So this numbering should be given from 14 to 26. From N to Z, you have to give numbering from 14 to 26, from right to left. So this is how you write your alphabets. So once you have finished writing this alphabets, based on this you have to solve problems. So here, for example, the first question is F is related to U in the same way as K is related to. So F is related to U. How this F is related to U? Here we will see. So in the alphabets, if you clearly see, under F we have U. So the opposite of F is U. Similarly, the opposite of K will be P. So this is how you solve this alphabet questions. So if you write A to Z and if you give numbering from 1 to 26, it will be very easy for you to solve any type of questions. So the second question is trade is related to U, Q, B, C, F. Same way plate is related to what? So here you have to write each and every letter with a gap, so that it will be very helpful for you to solve the question. So here for T they have given U, for R they have given Q, for A they have given B, for D they have given C, for E they have given F. So let's find out what is the relation between these five letters. So for T they have given U, right? So after T they have added 1 and they have written U. That is, the number of T is 20, right? The numbering that we have given for T is 20, and if we add 1 to T, then you get 21, which is nothing but U, right? So that is the relation between T and U. And for R, the numbering is 18, and if you minus 1 from 18, you get Q. So here you have to minus 1. So the next one is A. For A, if you add 1, we get B, right? And the next one is D. And for D, if you minus 1, we get C. And the next one is E. If you add 1 for E, we get F. So this is the relationship between trade, TRADE and UKBCF. So this is how you have to first identify the relation between the given set. And now let's find out the relation to PLATE. So for trade we have added, for T we have added 1. Similarly for P we are going to add 1. And if we add 1 to P, that is if we add 1 to 16, the next one will be Q, that is 17, right? And for R, here we have subtracted 1 and we have got Q. Here for L we will subtract 1, and if we subtract 1 from L, we get K. So the second one will be K. And for the third one we have added 1, so here also we will add 1. So for A, if we add 1, it will be B. And for T we have to subtract 1, and if we subtract 1, it will become S. And for E, if we add 1, it will become F. So the answer for PLATE is QKBSF. So the option is 1, A. So this is how you have to solve alphabet based questions. So these are the type of questions that can be asked under analogy, and in our next video we will discuss the first 10 questions that I have given for you. So until then, take care. Thanks for watching.